Welcome to this video from Girlguiding Gloucestershire, one of a series of videos to help you navigate through the accounts package from Girlguiding. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the information page at the start of the financial year. As its name suggests, this page contains all the information required to manage your accounts and also to ensure we're remaining in line with Girlguiding policy as well as Charity Commission requirements. The first thing we're going to enter is our unit, district or division name at the top. So for this example, we're going to be First Anytown Brownies. Next, we're going to enter the first and last date of the accounting period. So in this example, we're going to start from the 1st of January 2024, and we're going to go through to the 31st of December 2024. Next, coming down the left-hand side, we're going to enter the names and membership numbers of our trustees. These are the people that make decisions about unit, district or division and may not be the same as your signatories on the bank accounts. So in this example, we're going to have Taylor Swift with a membership number 12345. We're going to have Ariana Grande with a membership number 98765. And finally, we're going to have Nicole Kidman with a membership number 7654321. Those are our trustees. The next section here is our opening balances. So these need to be taken from the closing balances from last year's accounts. They won't necessarily be the bank statement balance at the end of the year, as you may have written a cheque that's not been cashed yet. That cheque has already been accounted for last year, so we need the closing balances. I'll show you where to find that when we show you the year-end process. But for this example, in the cash figure, we're going to have £21.54 cash left at the end of the year. And in the bank account, we're going to have £154.98. And you can see the total is adding up as I add those figures into the spreadsheet there. There's also space for a second bank account. If you do have two bank accounts, you can add that opening balance there as well. But most units would only have one. Below that, we've got space to put the signatories that are on the bank account. So in this case, Taylor Swift and Ariana Grande are both signatories. But we also have Mariah Carey. She's our treasurer. She looks after the accounts. She takes in the payments. She pays the bills that the trustees are asking her to. So she's not a trustee. She's not making any decisions here, but she's our treasurer. So we're having her as a signatory on the account, but not as a trustee up here. The other bit that you can just pop in the bottom here in one of these spaces is where the checkbook is held. And so I'm just going to put checkbook with Mariah Carey. And that's something that's part of the Charity Commission regulations. So just popping it in there means we've got it in. We don't have to worry about that later. So on the right then, opposite our opening balances, we've got space for the bank account details themselves. So the name, that's our bank account name. So that's First Anytown Brownies. It should be in the unit or district or division name. It shouldn't be in any other name. So we're going to put that one in there. And it's also a good place just to pop in brackets which bank that's with as well, because having the sort code and account number is great, but also knowing which bank we're banking with is good. So we're going to have the Bank of Money just in brackets there. And then you can pop your sort code in, 10-10-10, and you can put your account number in there as well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, if you have a second bank account, you've got space to put that in that second line there too. And then finally in this section, this bit at the top here, the holidays and events section. This links with these events tabs at the bottom, which we'll show you in full in a different video. But for now, these are used for things like camps, holidays, days out, that sort of thing. For now, we're just going to put in an example of a brownie holiday. So we're going to put the title of that event in here. And we're going to put the start and the end date. So we're going to go from the 1st of June 2024 until the 3rd of June 2024. And I'll show you how that flows onto the other page a little later. And that's it. That's our information page all ready for the financial year ahead.